leave till 8.
No, I gotta go home and play it.
Well, where's the phone?
Phone? When you get the car? Yeah, so, bro. Look, do you need it? You want to take pictures? I can take pictures if you want to.
I got to take pictures for the tournament. What's up, everybody? It's Dylan with Wicked Adventures. It's May 4th. I'm back here doing some editing, and I was just kind of noticing I didn't do much talking in the video. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. Sorry about that. It's my first video, you know, time you'll learn. I got lots to learn with filming. I have learned that with this video and trying to edit it, that the filming part of things was not the best. But I just figured I'd do a little voiceover and let y'all know what I was using, throwing, and game plans for the morning. So I started off the morning pitching a jig, kind of slow around the stumps. On that white rod there, that's a spinning rod and swim bait rod. I kind of switch back and forth between them, kind of get it stuck up in a couple stumps here and there. I'll make a crazy little face here in a second. I scared off a couple fish. I've been seeing a lot of gar all morning. So I seen my first few bass, got excited, just kind of scared them off on accident. So I just continued throwing the little jig around the stumps, nice and slow. It was really slow fishing all morning and evening, as you'll see in the video. I do catch my first fish here in a second, and I'll just let that play out how it plays out. Just wanted to give y'all a fair warning. I do get quite excited when I catch fish, and there is a little bit of language in the video, so if you don't like the language or don't like the excitement or what I say or what I do, I'm sorry.
There we go. Stay pinned, baby. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Get out of the log. Are you kidding me? Get out of the log. That's a chunk. That's a chunk. Stay pinned, baby. Quit that shit. Quit that shit. Quit that. Woo! Hey, wait! That fucking jump. Yes, sir. Five. Yes, sir. 5. on, phone. Yes, sir. First ever tournament bass. Yes, sir. First ever tournament bass. Oh, mother. He didn't even get it, bro. He just missed the hook. That's a bat. That one counts for turning. Sir, my luck's coming back. Yeah, I literally just put it right on that motherfucking stump, and then there's like a crack in the stump and a hole, I guess, and I bounced it out of that hole, and he smacked the dude. Perfect hook shot, chunker. Ain't no 5-pounder. Hey, she gonna put a number on the boy. Here. That's a bat. That one counts for turning. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lord.
So that was it. That was all the fish I caught that
Smells so
day.
clean.
There was just two. The 5.5 pounder, it missed big bass by 1/4 inch. It was 21 1/4, and big bass that won it was 21 1/2. There was a couple good bags. There was a couple people that caught their 5-bag limit. They went to the other side of the lake with more flats and opens, less structure. They did catch more fish. The quality of fish wasn't as good, but they did catch a whole bag, so they did outscore me and roll. Roll sadly didn't catch but one fish all day. But all in all, it was a beautiful day. I had a great time. Thanks to Texas Bass Holes for putting on the tournament. We will definitely be attending a lot more of their tournaments and making a lot more videos. Hopefully the quality gets better and better because I know this one isn't the best. I'd basically just spend the rest of the day fishing around. I wish I would have got a little more recordings. I let Roll use my GoPro batteries, and he didn't even use them. Needless to say, he left them in the truck. I needed them at the end of the day to record a few shots. I didn't have them, so that's why the video just kind of ends briefly. I will do a little video in from my GoPro in the rod shop. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Any feedback on anything, feel free to comment in the comment section below. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dylan with Wicked Adventures. We're in the Wicked Custom Rod Shop where we do all your rod repairs, needs, builds. We can build your sleeves, we can build your rods. We can do anything in between. So if you ever need a rod or anything like that, feel free to give me a shout on Facebook or TikTok currently through DM. You get a code. It's called Wicked Customs at YT. That's 10% code. We'll use that for a little bit. I do not currently have a website. That will be in the very, very soon makings. I just want to do a little brief in-view about the video. It kind of got shut kind of like out of nowhere. I had a couple batteries. I actually got lots of GoPro batteries. I let my buddy use 6 of them to record throughout the day because he doesn't have external battery packs. I usually use those for my morning clips and just different clips throughout the day. Or I was going to try to use them. This is my first video. I don't know. But he forgot them in the truck, and when he forgot them in the truck, it caused me to lose a lot of clips. I didn't get none of the closing clips or leaving clips or anything like that, so I just figured I'd come in here and tell y'all it was a great day. Appreciate Texas Bass Holes for letting us come out. Appreciate Texas Parks and Wildlife or whoever let us out to Gibbions Creek Reservoir. That is a private lake. The only reason we're allowed on there is because of Texas Bass Holes, which is awesome. I greatly appreciate that. That's an awesome thing. Plan on making it to a lot more Texas Bass Holes tournaments. They do kayak and bank tournaments. I do plan on trying to start like making it to some KBF tournaments and stuff like that, and some tackle shack tournaments, different things. I do lots of bass fishing. I do some gar fishing, so if y'all want to see more content of something than the other, feel free to ask. It is called Wicked Adventures. We're going to be doing more than just fishing. I do lots of guns. I have lots of guns. Bow hunting, fishing, racing. I do bikes. I do cars. So whatever your mind desires, you just feel free. Feel free to give any info or input that will help me in the future. Even if you don't like the video, don't feel bad for criticizing. All you're doing is helping me out to learn. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Hope y'all enjoyed the video with Dylan and Wicked Adventures.